Hello everybody. In this video, I will demonstrate how to create an animated movie using only one image. But first, let us watch the end result, then we can begin the tutorial.
Long ago, in the land of ancient Egypt, the gods were many, and order was ancient. Within this world lived Akhenaten, a young king raised to uphold what already existed. At his side stood Nefertiti, graceful and sharp-minded, more than a royal wife. She listened as closely as she spoke, watching the balance between power, belief, and the people. But within the king's mind, something shifted. Akhenaten began to question the old gods, slowly at first, then boldly. He spoke of a single force behind all life, the Aten, the living sun. The priests resisted. Instead of retreating, Akhenaten moved forward. He closed temples, redirected worship, and built a new capital devoted entirely to the Aten. And beside him, Nefertiti ruled openly, depicted in art as an equal, standing beneath the same sun. Egypt grew divided. Their reign was unlike any before it, radical, luminous, and brief. After they were gone, their city was abandoned, their names were carved away. But history remembered.
Wow, that was a fascinating story. Now, let us begin the tutorial. We start off by using ChatGPT to find a good story. Ancient Egypt has many fun stories, so I went with one of them. I also created my image here. Next, we will go to Flow. It is a free AI tool that helps creators build a storyboard. We will upload our image and story here. Pay attention to the settings. Make sure Nano Banana Pro is set. We also want 2 outputs. This will enable us to pick from a variety of images on both results. When you are done with the settings, upload your image. Then type in the following prompt. Also, copy and paste your story after the prompt. Then submit the prompt. It created 2 images. Each of them have 9 images. Those are our scenes that we will be using. Download both images. Set the output images to 1. This saves our limited attempts that Flow allows us each day. Then go back to your story and look at each paragraph to determine what scene will correlate with that part of the story. In my case, my opening scene correlates more with scene 7 of image 1. I will then upload image 1 and specify in the prompt the scene that I want. Pay attention to the prompt. This should generate the image you want. Make sure you download the 2K quality image. Repeat this process for all your scenes. Next, we will use Kling AI. This requires a paid account. I have a referral link in the description that will give a 50% bonus credit for new members. Look at the details on the screen. That means it needs to be a new account. Kling will also give me an additional 500 credits for the referral. For this next section, pay attention to the details above the videos. I use different Kling models to achieve my results. You may need to make multiple attempts to get a desirable result. My golden rule is 4 attempts. If it can't get it done with 4 different attempts, I abandon that scene. So be careful. The results do not get better by making more attempts.